$300,000 for this property that we're gonna show you here in the city of Davenport. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,400 square foot home. It's only been on the market 1 day, guys. Location, 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 that is key. This is conveniently located near Disney and other theme parks. Also very close are shopping centers and malls, and I-4, which is a major interstate. All right, guys, so as you can see, this home is well maintained. It's a 2-car garage, single family home. And we're gonna go through the front into the home. To the left, it's gonna be the 2 rooms shared with a shared bathroom. We're gonna call this bedroom number 2, and this one's 10 by 11. We're gonna bypass the bathroom for now to the 3rd bedroom. We're gonna call this the 3rd bedroom, and this is 12 by 10. All the bedrooms have carpet inside, and of course ceramic tile in the dining room and kitchen area. But here's the bathroom here. It's also tile in the bathroom, 1 sink and toilet. Pretty standard size bathroom. We're gonna go past the front door. To the right, we're gonna find the 2-car garage. Pretty spacious. You can do anything that you please there. All right, now out of the garage, we're gonna see that there's the washer and dryer. Prior to going past the living room into the master bedroom. Okay, we're gonna go into this master, which is 14 by 13. So it's a very big room with its own bathroom, of course. And this one only has 1 sink. Normally you see 2 sinks, but still a pretty nice sized bathroom with a nice walk-in closet. And of course the toilet seat, it's in a corner on its own. The new builds, all of them make the toilet seats separate from everything else, or from the rest of the bathroom. Here goes the stand-up shower. And we're gonna come out of that owner bathroom to the living room. First, let's take a look at that living area. This is an open space concept, so across from the living area, you're gonna see the kitchen. Okay, so there you have it. You have the kitchen with the 2 sinks. You see the little dining area there, and then the living space. So it's all open concept. We're gonna go past this and go outside. Look at the size of this yard, pretty big yard. They didn't put the fence there, but you can put a fence at the end over there. Look at all that space. Of course, this ends our showing. We are officially in a buyer's market. The interest rates are still pretty low. So guys, contact us, like and subscribe our channel, and share with friends and family. See you on the next one.